Hey, today's topic is really interesting, daydreaming. It's often thought of as something negative, right? But there's a deeper meaning behind it, especially when it comes to how people pursue their goals.
Right? It's said that people who wander around trying different things without focusing are daydreamers. But what really makes them this way? It's almost like they have big dreams but no solid foundation.
Exactly. It's like they have a lot of energy and big goals, but haven't learned the basics or put in the necessary work. They rush into things, hoping for success, but without the right skills, they often fail or never get there.
So it's not that they're lazy or unambitious, but more about not being grounded in what's required to achieve their dreams.
Yes, and because they don't achieve their lofty goals, it ends up looking like they're just daydreaming. But if they could lay a solid foundation first, then they could actually achieve those big dreams.
It makes sense. It's like they skip the steps that build the strength to handle those big dreams. Without matching their goals with the effort required, they'll just stay stuck.
Exactly. And there's this misconception where people think success can come without putting in the hard work. They see others who seem to have wealth or success and think it just happens by chance. But even those people have built their success over time, step by step, with deep thought and effort.
So even if someone gets wealthy without seeming to work hard for it, there's usually more depth to their success than meets the eye. They've been thinking deeply about their environment and how to navigate it.
That's right. The ones who seem to have it easy usually are the ones who've put in consistent, quiet effort. If you're still wondering why you don't have wealth, it could be because you're not seeing that deeper thought, that groundwork that others have laid down.
That's a tough truth to swallow for many. So the message is you can't just desire wealth or success without putting in the effort and fulfilling your duties. There's a reason why some people get wealth and others don't.
Absolutely. If you haven't put in the work, wealth won't just come to you. It's about aligning yourself with the right energy and fulfilling the basics first. If you skip that, the system, or as we call it, grand nature, won't reward you.
But what about people who feel like they've been doing the basics and still haven't seen results?
Well, it might be about how they're approaching those basics. Are they really handling their responsibilities with full integrity, or are they just going through the motions? Sometimes people work hard, but their focus is too narrow, like working for money instead of working for personal growth.
So the issue isn't just working hard, but working with the right mindset, focusing on doing things well and learning from the environment, rather than just chasing money for its own sake.
Exactly. The person who constantly chases after money becomes a slave to it. Money slips through their fingers because they haven't mastered how to manage it or handle their environment well. But those who focus on fulfilling their work and responsibilities with respect and care will naturally attract wealth.
So in a way, wealth becomes a byproduct of focusing on the right things, like fulfilling your duties properly and considering how to improve the environment around you, rather than obsessing over money itself.
That's exactly the point. If you don't handle your tasks with the respect and thought they deserve, no amount of wealth will bring you lasting success. The universe, or grand nature, will make sure wealth is allocated where it's truly deserved.
That's a powerful perspective. The idea that wealth isn't just a random thing, it's actually a result of how well you align with the universe's law.
Right, and society's changing too. In the past, anyone could try to take wealth, but now everything is being rearranged. People who haven't put in the work will see that wealth being reallocated to those who've earned it.
It's like the universe is cleaning house, making sure that those who are prepared, who've put in the effort, get what they deserve.
Exactly. It's not the era where you can just grab wealth out of thin air. It's the time when wealth follows those who've earned it through consistent effort and a mindset of growth.
So in the end, it's not about just wishing for wealth. It's about aligning your actions with the deeper laws of nature and fulfilling your role with integrity.
Yes. Focus on the work. Focus on doing things right, and wealth will come as a secondary reward. That's the righteous law at play.
And that's something we should all remember as we navigate our own journeys.
Absolutely. And with that, we've reached the end of our conversation. Keep working on your foundation, and don't get caught up in daydreaming. The universe has its way of rewarding those who stay grounded in their efforts.